Good morning everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me today. So I've got some happy mail to share with you that a lovely subscriber as follower has sent me. Now there was no address on it, so I'm not sure, but look at this beautiful card, that's fabulous. And the card is signed Sheila. So Sheila, if this is you, because you've not left a surname, so I'm not 100% sure who sent it. I'm so sorry. But just look at that, how beautiful is that? That is really pretty. What a lovely, lovely card. So Sheila's saying, I very much enjoy your YouTube and wanted to support you. Hope you can make use of the enclosed and keep up the good work. Best wishes, Sheila. How lovely is that? Honestly, some super kind people. I love this. Looks like journal happy mail. Love it. Look at the string. Even that excites me because I will use it. You know I will. So I've not peeked in yet, but look at this, fabulous that it's wrapped in. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what that is, but that looks like. Let's just lift this out. Oh, we'll look at that bit at the end. So here she's Tiger Oil Memos. Tiger Oil Company. So whether she's photocopied these by the looks of it. Let's have a look. Houston. It's a memorandum telling people not to put the feet on the furniture. How cool is that? Oh, that's awesome. What's this one? Oh, it's come out of a book. Has it come out of a book? Right. I'm not sure what these are, but these are funny. This memorandum is intended as an amendment to the memo I wrote and done about people speaking to me. Any supervisor has anything to say to me day or night, the fastest way you can say it to me is too slow. I'm going to have to read these. It sounds quite funny. Oh dear, yeah, that looks like it's got a bit of humour to it. To all employers, I swear, but since I am the owner of this company, that is my privilege, and this privilege is not to be interpreted as the same for any employee. That's quite funny. I shall read those, thank you, that's funny. So what's these? So this looks like a little bit of an old storybook. Wow, look at that. The King Who Had Everything. Yeah, this is an old children's storybook, very old. Oh, how lovely. Those pickles, oh mother. To the rescue. Yeah, it's a children's storybook, is that? That's quite aged, is that? And somebody's taped it together. That's got quite a bit of age. I'm not sure of the date or anything, but that's lovely. So I'll be using that, thank you. And this is, oh, this looks like a little journal cover that she's made, maybe. That paper's nice, isn't it? That's different. Yeah, unless it's part of a box, but it looks all like, that looks like jewelled. It's beautiful. That would make a nice journal, you know, a skinny journal cover. Fabulous. Oh, there's some more of it there. It's like, must be like some kind of box or something. Beautiful. That's really lovely. I really like that. What have we got here? She's got a little jewelled paper clip that she's made with a little star on, and in there we've got some sequins. I won't open those because knowing me, I'll drop them all over the floor. Right, what's these? I'm guessing wallpaper samples. Oh, these are nice, aren't they? Made in the USA. I don't think the package came from the USA, did it? I think it's a lady within the UK. Let's have a look at the postage. Postage, yeah, standard UK postage. So it's a lady within the UK. That's lovely. Look at that. I like using wallpaper for journal covers. It's lovely. My friend Kay gave me some last time I was at her house, which was years ago thanks to COVID. But I am going again this summer. Yay, can't wait. And yeah, it makes for lovely covers. That's really nice. It's like a paint effect, is that one. Same with that, like a paint effect, like a brushed, you can see the brush marks. Those are lovely, thank you. Yeah, so I shall save those. They will go on journal covers. I've got plenty of... What I need to do really is have a week off of YouTube and just sit and make loads of journals. Because I keep saying I need to make some money out of my crafting and I don't have time. Because I like doing tutorials and sharing how to make stuff. Oh wow, look at that one. That's beautiful. That's really nice. I'm going to be struggling to use that one. That's beautiful. But yeah, what I need to do really, because I have got quite a nice collection of supplies from what I've collected and what other people have sent me. I could sit for and just make journals for a week non-stop. Look at this, is this wallpaper? It is, how fab's that? Oh, I like that. Brilliant. How cool's that? I've never seen wallpaper like that before. Brilliant. Oh, I like that. Thank you. I love it when people share what they've got because you end up with such different stuff. You know, these kind of things that people give you and why I get so excited. I can't go to a shop and buy this. You know, I'm only lucky enough to have it because Sheila sent it. Same with this. I don't know where she's got it from. And I would never maybe see it ever again in my lifetime. But because she's been kind enough to share it, I've got unique stuff in my collection and it's fantastic. That is beautiful. I love that. Steampunk. That's lovely. I'd have that on my walls. It's gorgeous. Thank you. Might have to hold them for quite a while. Oh, bless her. Look at these little pinwheels. These are cute. Thank you. Look at the little tiny buttons in the middle. Lovely. Oh, those are nice, aren't they? Peace, Life and Beauty. Those are lovely. Paper House Colourways. Never heard of that company. This looks like handmade paper. Oh, wow. It's all handmade paper, is this? And it looks like she's, well, either she's stitched it together or somebody else has. What's it got in it there? Is that like maybe bits of lavender or something? But that, yeah, that's handmade paper. How lovely is that? Fabulous. I wonder if she's made that herself. Beautiful. Oh, look at these napkins. Love napkins. I've not got this one with a beautiful cat on. And obviously, you know, you get 4 sides, don't you? So you get 4 goes. Beautiful. Ooh, lovely. I can't drink wine. Here's a useless bit of information about Amanda. I cannot drink wine or anything wine based. It makes me severely ill. So you'll never see me drinking a glass of wine. It just doesn't agree with me. Even just 2 sips will make me poorly. When I got married and we had champagne in the back of the limousine, it was just for photos. My husband were whispering, "Don't drink any of that, it'll make you poorly." Yeah, I can't drink wine at all. Lovely. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I don't have any of these. See, again, I don't have any of these napkins. So... fabulous. Oh, I like that. That's pretty with those little purple flowers. Really lovely. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that lovely rose. Stunning. And obviously you can just cut little bits or decoupage the whole lot onto things. Beautiful. Oh, I like this one as well. I love roses. That's cute, isn't it? Beautiful. And this is nice. It's got writing on. Well, it looks like writing. Or is it just like lines, like paint effect? With the butterflies. Oh, that's beautiful. Really pretty. Look at that. That looks like cherry blossom maybe. Or orange blossom. Absolutely stunning. That's really lovely. These are pretty, these. I don't know where you've got all these from. Probably hoarded them for years like the rest of us. That's pretty, isn't it? Lovely. Oh, look at that one. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Oh, do you know what? Here's another. Look, this is just like given me a massive flashback. Years and years and years ago, in my very early 20s, I did waitressing. I waitressed in quite a few places, and this is what we used to... these are exactly the same as the order pads that we used to write on. Exactly the same. Yeah. Blimey. That's given me a big flashback as that. Yeah, little order for you, so you have to write everything down. And then some poor person would have to decipher your writing. And they've got this lovely little pocket that she's made here. What's in here? Let's have a look. Oh, look at these. So these are genuine photo slides. So you may see I've done quite a popular video last week where I made my own faux vintage photo slides. And these are real ones. How fun are these? Oh, wow. Kodachrome slide. Wicked. July 78. Oh, blimey. View from this side. What is it? That's like some kind of... I could have a look through my light. That's like... It's like... hills and trees is that one. Don't know if you'll be able to see. Ah, and that's some a lake somewhere. Beautiful. What's that one? Same. Oh wow, these are well cool. And there's it's obviously a coach trip. There's a coach on that one. Can you see it? They've been on a coach trip to somewhere. I wonder. It's quite green, so possibly Scotland or the Lake District if it's in England. That looks English. It looks like the English countryside. Just the way it is. It feels like it is. And that's looks like somebody's house. Those are brilliant. How cool are they? Thank you. What a fun little bit of vintage ephemera. And then let's have a look at this that it's wrapped in. It's obviously like a book page that folds in like that, and it's got like this writing on. At first glance it looks kind of medieval, like it's, yeah, I'm going to say it looks like a bit of a tapestry or something. I'm not 100% sure what it is without reading all of the inside, but it looks like a tapestry. Yeah. How fabulous. So thank you to Sheila. I've absolutely no idea which Sheila you are. I just know that I'm so grateful for you sharing these fabulous and interesting items with me, which will absolutely end up in my journal. So thank you ever so much. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Leave a comment if you watch Sheila so that I can say thank you again to you. Bye for now.